Local news for Friday the 24th of January. Wellington Police are urging motorists not to drive impaired after a number of people have been found under the influence of alcohol. Since November, Wellington District Police have tested over 34,000 drivers for alcohol, with more than 200 drivers processed for excess breath alcohol. Wellington District Road Policing Manager Inspector Derek Orchard says this is an alarmingly high number, and police are concerned that the people are putting themselves and others at risk. The average asking price of properties in Wairarapa has increased significantly since 2010. Figures released from realestate.co.nz show a 36% increase in asking price for Masterton, 38 for Carterton and 51 for South Wairarapa. The sole occupant of the car has died after a crash yesterday afternoon. Emergency services were called to the scene on the corner of Te Whiti Road and Te Kopai Road near Carterton at about 25 to 2. And in sport, a big weekend for Giants softball ahead with 4 teams at home. The game's getting underway with the under-13s tomorrow from 9 a.m. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.